One of my key phrases for the whole day: disciplines work miracles. Disciplines work miracles. And here's the first piece that works miracles. Number one, do what you can. Do not let neglect grab you by the throat. Don't let neglect stall you on your path toward prosperity and health, being able to become powerful, influential, rich beyond wildest imagination. Don't neglect what you can do. If you can read, read. If you can change, change. If you can grow, grow. If you can take one step, take one step. Do not neglect to do whatever you can do at the moment.
This subtitle preset will work on Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Morganite font is used in this project. Let me show you how to use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here you can see I have created this showcase using just one template. Let's create a sequence and place audio on the timeline. Open the Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install the Motion Graphics template. Place template on the timeline. Now listen to audio and add text here.
One of my key phrases for the whole day: disciplines work miracles.
Stretch or trim template accordingly. Don't cut the template with razor tool, otherwise, it won't work properly. You can scale text from here. Enable or disable caps lock from here.
One of my key phrases for the whole day:
Now let's add another line. Press Alt and drag to make a copy of it.
disciplines work miracles.
Now add another line.
Disciplines work miracles.
Stretch template accordingly.
Disciplines work miracles.
You can change the text color from here. Change font from here.
Disciplines work miracles.
Here you can scale and position text. That's it. Thanks for watching.